Today I took 3 trades on NQ with 2 of them going break even and 1 of them winning. So yeah, let's get into it. So coming into today, my overall bias was leaning bullish on the short term, as we did come down and take the immediate lows inside the massive 4-hour that we had from that data candle on Monday. So I was expecting a move higher to rebalance the leg before eventually going lower. And we had plenty of draws above with this 30-minute unmitigated gap, as well as London highs inside this 15-minute if we were to go all the way up there. So the ideal move from open would be a 9:30 Judas swing of a resweep of these lows in the 4-hour intermediate gap, and then from here open up a fair value gap and inverse it to the upside, targeting this 30-minute unfilled gap up here. As you can see, we do exactly that. We resweep the lows, we open up a 5-minute bearish fair value gap, and we do inverse this on the next candle. And at this point, it's similar to yesterday, we were kicking about here, but the last 10 seconds we decided to push up right here, which was a little annoying for this entry, as we were in a 15-minute bearish fair value gap right now, and my break even point would have been these intermediate highs right here. So realistically, I would have had to go break even instantly, but that is exactly what we done. So my entry looked something like this, with the stop not being the full way down, as if it was going to go down here and tap this, then the trade would be invalid. I wouldn't have had to wait for this one to get inversed. But yeah, straight off rip, we do have to go break even, and then we get stopped out on the same candle, and then we do see this run to full take profit. So coming into the second trade of the day, we opened up a 5 on this leg up to the 30-minute gap, and we came back down and tapped into the 5 on the 1 minute, opened up a 1 minute bearish fair value gap, which we did end up inversing. So I did take a position along here, targeting a 1-to-1 with the break even point being the highs inside of the 30-minute gap right here. And as you can see, price was very choppy, and then it did eventually hit break even point, and then we did get stopped at that same candle. So coming into the third trade of the day, and this one was a little silly one, but I was having so much fun on the charts today. Like, I probably should have hopped off by now, but I just decided to risk one contract on it, as it was a little risky. We were pretty choppy, but I did like the play. So we came down, tapped into the 15-minute unmitigated gap, and then opened up a 1 minute bearish fair value gap, which we did inverse in the next candle. And I just stuck a position long on this with one contract, targeting about a 2 risk to reward. I would have just went break even at these highs probably, but I didn't get time because this was a absolute banger of a news candle, and I didn't even get set my stops or take profit. I just had to close up as soon as it hit up here. But as I said, it was a one contract trade, so I did only make $50 on this, but a win's a win, and I was having so much fun, so I don't even care. So yeah, I think I took like every trade today that there was, to be honest. There was a 30-second just before the 5-minute, but I don't have access to the 30-second, and also I take highest time frame inversion anyway, which is unlucky. The place we inversed as break even point was right there. So yeah, that played out. Second one didn't play out, and the third one did, but that was probably like 90% luck, as that was a big news candle. But yeah, I just had so much fun today. I was just calling out the draws pretty perfectly here, and yeah, such a fun day. And I think that puts us at just about break even for the week, maybe like down, maybe still red by like $10 or something. So yeah, hopefully we can catch a banger tomorrow and end the week in profit. Future me, are we profitable yet? See you tomorrow.